Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, hi, I'm Lauren. I don't know how you found me, but please definitely stay. So today's video is open up all of my advent calendars from day 1 to Christmas Day. I did this last year and a few people really enjoyed it, so I thought, you know what, I've got 7 to open and I will try not to make it as long as possible, but with 7 advent calendars, it's going to be a bit tricky, but I'm ready for the challenge. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If there's anything that you see throughout this video and you think, oh, I want to try that, and you want the name of the brand, please feel free to message me in the comment section below and I will send you the name of it. I think I remember some of the products. I don't remember all of them. But yeah, I absolutely love Christmas. As you guys can see, I'm in my Christmas jumper. It's absolutely lovely and cozy. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video.
Well, I'm all for Christmas, all the happy smiles and the wishes, and I want it all, from the lights to the mistletoe. Tell me one thing, is there anything that you're missing? I will keep you warm as soon as you remove that snow. Whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. This Christmas I only wanna be close to you. Whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. Well, I'm all for Christmas. It's a magical time full of kisses. Take a walk outside and tickle the snowman's nose. Moving nimbly, did you hear something from the chimney? I will keep you warm as soon as you remove that snow. Oh, whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. This Christmas I only wanna be close to you.
thought that Christmas could bring tears to my eyes. Don't get me wrong, still enjoyful times. We're gonna sing this song. Look at the snow, it's Christmas, and there's our mistletoe. Among all the gifts and all the Christmas cards, I think of you, don't forget. I ring a bell for those who have nothing, so lend a helping hand. And if you do the very best you can, it won't be hard to understand. And that's how we know it's Christmas for every girl and boy. And you can be sure it's tears of joy. Happy Christmas to you. It's Christmas for every girl and boy, and you can be sure it's tears of joy. Happy Christmas.
So guys, that is the end of today's video. I hope you guys have enjoyed. I have absolutely loved opening all the doors. I've loved all my products, and you know what, I cannot wait to use every single one of them. And now I'm back to go and have dinner. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Happy Christmas, Happy Christmas.